But let's take a look what's in the Configure tab. Now, in the Configure tab, we have a couple things we can do right off the bat. It wants us to provide it with our own icon. Now, I can click on the pencil. I have the option to let AI generate me an icon for this agent. I can click on Browse. I can choose any of these icons and give it a color. We'll choose this teal blue color. Or you can upload your own icon. So I'm going to go back to the Browse and hit Apply, and it should update. There it is. It's giving us this name here. We can revise this if we want to. As a best tip, I like to add emojis in front of my titles. Hit the Windows key plus period. There's my blue icon, my circle. And the reason why I do this is because when I look down my left navigation, I know the ideal and prop coach was provided by Microsoft. These are the ones that I have created. So it just helps me determine what belongs to Microsoft and what belongs to me or my company.